Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because Hush.com sent me some of their new eyeshadow palettes and I thought I needed to show you guys. I asked you guys on Instagram yesterday. I said, hey, do you guys want to see some of these really pretty, affordable, amazing eyeshadow palettes? And for the majority, everybody said yes. So I thought, I will film. I was probably going to film regardless because I just wanted to show off these palettes because they're so amazing. So yeah. Anyways, for those of you guys who don't know what Hush.com is, Hush.com kind of does dupes of very highly known products, if that makes any sense. So they are obviously affordable, but they're still not like crazy cheap. Like they're not like CoverGirl, like, hey, $5 for an eyeshadow palette. It usually ranges from like $10 to $30, but for me, I feel like that's a really good deal, especially if you're spending like $12 on an eyeshadow palette. That's a dupe for like an Anastasia eyeshadow palette that's what, $52. So for me, I feel like $12 to $52, that's a really good deal. As far as I know, their products are really good. For me, I've basically only tried their new eyeshadow palettes whenever they come out with them. I am like an affiliate for their website. They send me their new products whenever they get them, and everything that I've gotten so far has been amazing. So I just wanted to tell you guys that. So if you guys want to see the eyeshadow palettes that I recently got from Hush.com, then let's just jump right into it. So here are the eyeshadow palettes that I got. I'm going to show you guys them each individually. I'm going to give you guys some swatches, tell you guys what I think about them, and all the good stuff. So yeah, like I said, they range usually from like $10 to $30. I haven't like gone through their website and said, okay, which one's like the most expensive, but I know that some of the products that I've gotten have been $30. So yeah, and some have been $10. So it's affordable compared to like I said, Anastasia, you know, sometimes you're paying $52 to $62 for an eyeshadow palette, which is crazy. So anyways, their dupes are freaking amazing. So here is their After Palettes collection bundle right here. It comes with 4 palettes. This all is $30 for this 4-piece collection. Now, these are the dupes for, I'm gonna pull out a paper just so I'm completely correct because a lot of people in my Hush videos have given me crap for not knowing the names. So first, this is the Aftershock palette. This is the dupe for the Huda Beauty Obsessions Palette Electric. They are so identical, it's insane. And guys, the swatches for this are incredible. I'll be putting like a little comparison of the 2 palettes side by side right here for you guys. So from what I could tell in these swatches, they are very creamy, very pigmented. I don't know how long they last throughout the day. That's the thing I haven't really tested. I am going to be putting an eyeshadow on my eye in a little bit just to show you guys what I think, first impression type of thing. But for these swatches, they were so beautiful. Okay, so this is the After Party, and all of these eyeshadow palettes are from the line Bad Habit. So this is the After Party. This is also in that collection bundle, and this is the dupe for the Huda Beauty Obsession palette Smoky. So similar. I haven't dipped into the actual Huda Beauty, but oh my gosh, like, let's be for real. So pretty. Such a good, like, I can't even explain. It's just such a good smoky eye palette. And their mirrors are very good. I love the mirrors that they come with. So this is the After Dark palette, also in the collection bundle. This is the dupe for the Huda Beauty Obsession palette Warm Brown. Guys, this is so beautiful. This is such a good palette for fall and winter. It's just a really beautiful, like, orangey brown palette. Their shimmers are crazy creamy and they're just so good, at least from the swatches that I've taken. Okay, so this is the After Hours palette. This is the dupe for the Huda Beauty Obsession palette Mauve. Guys, this one is the one that I'm going to be testing out most likely. This is my favorite. I am just obsessed with this shade right here because it's just such like a pinky gold shimmer, and I'm all about that. All about that. And this is just such a pretty palette. This is going to be one that I'm definitely going to reach for a million times. Like, I can tell you right now, I'm going to for sure use this palette all the time. It's just got some really pretty shades in it. So those are all the eyeshadow palettes for the After Palettes collection bundle. I said they're $30. I think that's a screaming deal for 4 palettes. That's crazy. And like seriously, I'm not even messing around. Okay, so this is the Bad Habit Arabesque palette. I'm not sure if I am pronouncing that right. I'm assuming. Everybody always gives me crap. Arabesque, yeah. Arabesque Shadow Collection palette. So this is the dupe for the Anastasia Soft Glam. And oh my gosh, I literally was gonna go and pick it up. Maybe I still will, just so I can like compare the two, but I am obsessed. It's such a beautiful palette. Oh my gosh, seriously, they are so similar to, like I said, I'm gonna be posting like a side-by-side picture of both of them so you guys can get an idea of what they both look like, but super similar, very creamy and very pretty. Okay, now this is probably a palette that I probably won't reach for too often. I'm assuming just like the, what is it? The Aftershock one too. It's very bright, but I might play around with it. This is the Bad Habit Lightspeed. It's the dupe for the Kat Von D I Am Divine. And it's a really, really cool palette. I think it's really, really awesome. And I like the way that they did these little things. Again, super similar to the Kat Von D. I'm gonna put a little, like I said, and they're very similar. Very creamy. Some of them were a little bit powdery when I did the swatches, but nonetheless, this one was $12. Good gracious, very good deal. So like I said, I'm gonna dip into the After Hours Bad Habit palette because I really wanna try this clutch shade. I've been getting eyelash extensions a lot recently and I haven't been like too crazy on the eyeshadow, but I have been drawn to like the little bit of shimmer eyeshadow. So I want to apply this with just like a flat-headed brush. I'm going to zoom you guys in and we can see how it applies. Okay, so I'm looking a little crazy, but I'm going to go ahead and dip into this. I'm going to go ahead and dip into this guy and let's see how it applies. Ooh, you can already see. Wow, guys. So pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. See, this is like totally what I've been going for recently, is just kind of like a soft pinky, goldy color. And this is going to be perfect. I'm for sure going to be using this palette a lot. So pigmented. I wonder what it would be like if I put a little bit of like setting spray. So look at that. Looks so good. I need a fill, so don't even judge. So I like how that applied. Oh, it's so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the swatches that I did, and yeah. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section, and also I'll be putting all of these in the description box, so don't worry if you guys are interested in any of those palettes. I would definitely recommend this one that I just tried on. It's so cute. So yeah, very affordable, such great dupes, totally would recommend. 10 out of 10, I love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!